Finally found the best recipe to whiten your teeth at home in 1 minute. You will eliminate yellow stains, and your teeth will be as white as pearls. To start, peel a banana and grate its interior. Banana peel contains essential minerals that remove dental stains and naturally whiten teeth. Don't forget to save the video to do the recipe later. Next, cut a lemon in half and add a tablespoon to the banana. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a powerful natural whitening agent that removes stains on teeth and brightens enamel. Now add a tablespoon of salt. Salt acts as a gentle abrasive that removes surface stains and polishes tooth enamel for a brighter smile. And finally, add a tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix all the ingredients well to obtain a homogeneous paste. To use the recipe, brush your teeth with this paste for 1 minute. Then rinse your teeth with water to remove the paste. Your yellow stains will gradually disappear, and you will gain several shades of whiteness very quickly. Save the video and subscribe.